G'day guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going and playing a new course that's just come to GS Pro. It is in beta, I'll caveat that, and that is Druids Glen by T-Squared. I'll leave T-Squared's information in the description of this video. I'll leave his Patreon there. Definitely go and support the guy. He has been smashing out courses on GS Pro. Today as well, we are using the Rapsodo MLM2PRO. I'm super excited. I'm using the new official connection to GS Pro. Now, if you have been living under a rock, we've had to use a third-party connector for the Rapsodo MLM2PRO. I'm now happy to say we are using the official connection from Rapsodo. It does connect via Bluetooth. If you're having trouble with connection to your PC, to your gaming laptop, buy one of these Bluetooth dongles, put it next to your device, and those worries will go away. Famous last words. So we have got it connected up. Everything's working. Let's jump in and let's go play Druids Glen from T-Squared. For the match settings today, we'll go off the yellow tees, which are the back tees. We'll make stimp 12. We'll turn on a little bit of wind. Thursday pins looks good. And for the holes, we'll go play the 1st, 3rd, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 17th, and 18th. I know I've probably missed, an amazing hole here and there, but it is what it is. Look, a lot of people say they want to see 18-hole videos, but 18-hole videos do take a long time to edit. Like I said, this course is brought to you by T-Squared. He's been smashing out courses recently. Trying to keep up with this guy is tough. I cannot wait to see. He's got a course coming out that's based on Red Dead 2. I cannot wait to see this course. Guys, if you do enjoy these videos, if you like the channel, please do sub. I am on the race to 20,000 subscribers. That's the goal for this year. If I could reach that, I'd be over the moon. I need your help. Okay, one other thing before we get started. We're heading out to the range, but I just want to give a shout out to Rapsodo Ball Dots. Today, I'll be playing my Pro V1s. These are not the official Pro V1 golf balls. These are from RapsodoBallDots.com. The official Titleist golf balls are something that I want to try, but I just haven't got round to buying any. And now the new balls come out. I kind of want to get the new one, and they're not released in Australia yet. So, okay, check this out. First hole. Oh, this is the driving range. So look at this. I'll link those Rapsodo Ball Dots in the description. This is the driving range, and we've got a little shot, 53 yards. Let's do this. I wonder if this driving range is like a little mini game. This is really cool. I've got to keep this low. That's got to get up, I think. You will notice that there is a slight delay from the MLM2PRO. This delay, it's the exact same with the third-party connector. All right, let's do a proper shot. 53. There we go. Pretty cool. So I wonder if this is like a mini game. It's going to repeat that shot. Okay. Very interesting. I'll have to ask T-Squared about that. Let's go tee off. We're going to be transported straight to the first tee. And as you can see, the lighting is odd. This is in beta. I will caveat. There we go. We've got clear sky now. This is in beta, so just be aware that there are going to be issues. Let's bomb a driver down the first. Before we do that, though, let's just go for a little look around. Tee markers look fantastic. You can see the flags there. You've got the clubhouse. It does look special. The 18th, going to the 18th hole, I believe it comes up and you actually look back at the clubhouse, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe it's looking down the first. I'll put up a picture. I will, as always, try and put up pictures of the course, but they're quite hard to find. First time I've used Titleist golf balls in a while. Okay, it should be good. Lovely. Really nice drive on the first. And we will take that. That's going to leave 130 in. The speed at which T-Square is pumping out courses now is incredible. 130. Let's hit a 3/4 pitching wedge. Oh, it's got to go. That is way short. That is way short. Okay. What yardage? Actually, no, that checks out. I've got... Yeah, that checks out. I should have hit that a bit harder. Okay, need to pay attention I need to pay attention to my yardages, but it'll give me a chance to show off chipping. We've got 11 yards. Let's just hit a delicate little cut up shot. What I should have done is turned on auto putt. I'll do that now. I forgot to turn on auto putt. Auto putt fixed. Hopefully that has applied it to this hole. 11 yards. Oh, Rapsodo, you're letting me down. Be good. You see, this is where, and I mean, we've had so many updates with this unit to improve chipping. There we go. Okay, we got it eventually. Look, I haven't used the MLM2PRO in a while, but I thought chipping was fixed. Why is that, not registering those shots? Third hole, let's just hit a, this is in between. Let's hit a hybrid. Should be perfect. Yep, lovely. Those are the numbers we expect. And that's perfect. That is going to leave 96 into the hole. Right, let me pay attention to my numbers. 96, tough yardage. Let's just hit, I'm just going to hit a full lob wedge. We'll try and get this ripping back on the green. This should hopefully carry about 100 yards and then spin back. I do have to hit it good though. Probably not the smart play, but it's the fun play. Be good. Come on. Rip back and stop. Lovely. So one obvious thing with this official connection, look at this hole. How good does that look? With this official connection, you don't get the chance to do putting. So that's the big thing that's, the big elephant in the room. If you want to do putting, you still have to use the third-party connector. And the third-party connector, honestly, it's just as reliable and just as good. Okay, the 8th hole. This looks incredible. I mean, how good does that look? Oh, I hit that so bad. That's got to go hard. We're safe. That is incredibly lucky. I hit that so bad, I almost shanked it. Okay, at least we'll get to check out chipping again because, I mean, those last chips didn't fill me with confidence. Let's aim a little bit to the right because this is going to come out left. And I'm going to hit more of a just standard chip shot. So 13. I mean, that still had, there you go, registered. It had plenty of airtime and it's captured. So I don't know why those little chip shots didn't work. What I might have to do is I might have to put the MLM2PRO through the official Joe Legasky golf chipping test. Let me know if you want to see that. All right, this is a tough hole. Let's just bomb driver. Realistically, it's probably just a forward, but I'm just going to hit driver and probably go in that bunker. Yeah, that's going to be fine. Low spin bomb. Sit there. Just in the rough. Okay, 73. It's going to come out left, out of the rough, slightly up the hill. So we've got to play it about, let's go 80-ish. About 80 yards, maybe a little bit less. Let's go 75 yards as a feel, because it should roll out. I should have less spin. Might have to sit. No, that's pretty good. Sit, sit. Yeah, lovely. Really good shot. Okay, we're 2 under, going into the 10th. And just look at this. I mean, it's a tough driving hole. Got to be accurate. Oh, flared it. Flared it to the right. Left the face open. That is going to be fine. Just in the right rough. 117 out of the rough. So 122. Okay, let's just hit a gap wedge. Should be good. Go on, kick, go. Lovely. The wedges have found their form, which is good. On to the 11th hole. Look at the colors. I mean, it just looks really nice. The connection's solid as well, so everything seems to be working. Like I said, if you're having trouble with connection, definitely look at getting a Bluetooth receiver and then putting it on like an extension cable, because since I've had that, I've had zero connection issues with the Square Golf launch monitor or the MLM2 Pro. Yeah, lovely. Go on. Chase, get through, get through. Oh no. What are the chances? Honestly, how skinny is that tree? Like, how skinny is that tree? And I've gone behind it. Are there colliders? Yes, there are. So I can't even try and get lucky. I'm going to try and do a Sergio shot where he hit that massive slice and shut his eyes. Oh no! Oh, it worked! We did it! We got incredibly lucky. I hit that so far out the heel. Call me Sergio. Okay, 118 now. It's just going to be a nice, smooth gap wedge. Oh no. Had a no read. That was flush as well. Okay, we'll go again. Might have been my waggle. Another good shot. Go on, go. Go. Lovely. The par threes around this course, I mean, how good does that look? It's incredible. 154. This has got to have the best par threes in golf, this course. I like how they're short as well. You don't need long par threes to make them challenging. I love the fact that these have been 150 yards, but just beautiful. This has got 17th at TPC vibes. Be good. Come on. What a shot. Sit! Ah! That's why auto putt is so annoying. You can hit such a nice shot like that and just go outside the gimme zone. Okay, finally on to the 18th. There's the clubhouse. I knew that the 18th went straight towards it. Let's try hit a good drive. Nice. Oh, you are kidding. That is so annoying. That was the best drive of the day. What I would like is the little green arrows to go green to let me know that the launch monitor is ready. I'm not getting any indication that it's ready. Oh, horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. That's frustrating. You do a perfect shot that doesn't register and a horrible shot that registers. Welcome to Sim Golf. Right, second shot in, we've got 195, slightly up the hill out of the rough. So 210 to the actual pin. Let's hit a 5-iron. Oh, I've heeled it again. Got a case of the heels going on at the moment and it's not fun. Gonna be wet and we're gonna be dropping. That is frustrating. Let's drop it there. And now we got a shot that's gonna come out left. And then everything feeds right to left as well. So 31 yards out of the rough. What I will say, just look at this design that T-Squared's done. I love, this looks so real how you've got, you know, the little stream there, but then you've got the long grass around it. on either side. It just looks amazing. 31, we'll see if we can pop this up, try and land it around 25-ish, maybe a little bit less. 24. It didn't register. I had a blue light, but it didn't send the shot through. So to me, I'm still getting some no reads. I wonder if it's the golf ball. I wonder if it's because I'm using the RPT dots instead of the Callaway ball. Should be good. Yep. Go in. Lovely shot. All right, guys, that is 8 holes with the MLM2 Pro and GS Pro on the new official GS Pro connector. I've got to say, it was a good experience. I had a few no reads though, and I just wonder whether that's because I'm not using the official Callaway Golf RPT balls. I'll have to do more testing. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.